The next chart that we're going to go into is the chart of Google. It has been skirting this upswing trend line and has hit multiple occasions, as many as 4 times. And that means that this upswing trend line is getting weaker and weaker, especially because it only goes back to around August, mid-August, beginning part of September. Let's go ahead and jump into that chart. So I have this pivot low from the 20th of August. Second hit was the 2nd of September. So I've connected those 2 pivots, and that's where I drew this trend line. It extends all the way up, and this was the first hit, second hit, third hit, fourth hit, fifth hit, sixth hit. I'd mentioned 4 hits, but man, this is 6 hits of this upswing trend line. This means that this upswing trend line on a technical basis is getting weaker and weaker. If price can then hit this again, it is likely to break through it. This is no longer going to be support. We'll wait for a pullback to about this gap fill right below $300. Retrace the scene of the crime, which would be a broken upswing trend line. And this would be a great shorting opportunity if we can, again, get a break with confirmation move to the downside. Price is likely to come back up, retest this, and then we can get an additional sell-off. For me, if we break this upswing trend line, I have a downside target of around $255, where there's going to be this nice shelf in this area that extends from the 19th of September all the way to this pivot low right here to the 24th of October. There are a lot of buyers who are going to be sitting here waiting for the drop of Google if we can get that kind of fall. For Google, that would not be a huge move to the downside. That would be a 22% move, but there will still be institutions and other people who are willing to gobble this thing up in a bull market, which we are currently in right now.